People are chanting Povali Jagan, ये हमने क्या किया, what we have done, whom we have brought here. And he again, like Chandrababu Naidu Garu, no difference, aviniti rule, corruption, casteism, rule for only selected parties, family Raj, he declared himself as permanent president of YSRCP. I congratulate Central Election Commission, which passed a negative comment on this. This is democracy. In democracy, any party cannot say that this president will be lifelong president. This is not autocracy. This is not China, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. This is not Russia. This is Bharat Varsha. And Bharat Varsha will be conducted on the basis of democracy. Every political party should be democratic. Even a party, family party like Congress also is trying for elections. Whether they will succeed or not, God knows. But Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has shown that even his party is a family party. Unfortunately, when I visited this tribal area of Araku, and yesterday I visited Anakapalli, so when I met the laborers, in Telugu we say Bhavana Nirman Karmikulu, they are in distress, their lives are destroyed. Daily they come in market, they stand and they wait for work, but they don't get work. Why they don't get work? I will tell the reason. YSRCP government is a sand mafia's government. When they came into power, immediately, because of sand control from all MLAs and all local leaders, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, everything is centralized. And Avaniti also, all Avaniti should be done for his family and him. And that is why suddenly rates of sand shoot up. And 3 times, 4 times. So it is difficult for people to purchase sand. Availability of sand is not there. And they cannot construct houses. Simultaneously, the contractors, government contractors, they are not getting their bills are not cleared. When they are not getting money from state government, they are not ready for any new project. When they are not ready for new project, then how this Bhavana Nirman Karmik will get job? Unfortunate situation. More than 50 lakh Bhavan Nirman Karmiks are having strong discontent against this government. Crisis is there. There is no income for the state. He is borrowing money. When there is no repaying capacity, he cannot repay the money. So now people have started, the institutions, financial institutions have stopped giving money to Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. And that is why the state is heading towards financial collapse. Only expenditure, no income. And that is why even he is not able to pay salaries to state government employees. He is now not able to pay the Pathakam, Navaratnalu. But Navaratnalu हो या और कितने भी रत्न हो, डब्बुलू तो कवाली, लेकिन डब्बुलू नहीं है, तो अभी सबके नाम वो कट कर रहे हैं. Names are removed from the beneficiaries list. Number of benefits are removed from beneficiaries list. What else he has done? He has become only sticker chipka babu. Munduga Chandrababu Naidu kuda sticker chipka babu. Bata Narendra Modi garu icharu. Roadlu Narendra Modi garu icharu. LED bulblu, street lightlu Narendra Modi garu icharu. Illu Narendra Modi garu icharu. Toilets Narendra Modi garu icharu. Bima Narendra Modi garu icharu. Anni Narendra Modi garu icharu. Chandrababu Naidu garu, what did you do? Matrame stickers. Pacharangu vesi sticker antincharu. Chandranna Bima, Chandranna Bata, Chandranna Illu. People were fed up of his frauds, and now what happened? Now Jagananna. Jagananna, 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 everywhere stickers. Why not Narendra Modi? When Narendra Modi is giving everything, yes, I agree that it is duty of state government to deliver. So you can keep your name, there is no wrong in that. But without putting name of Narendra Modi, without his photograph, you cannot do this. This is totally backstabbing of central government, backstabbing to central government from Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. In tribal area, I am very happy to inform 300 crore rupees are given by central government to build 100-bedded hospital, full-fledged hospital in Paderu. And because of that, tribal people are happy. The tribal products are being purchased by central government, and there are development centers, Vikas Kendra, at 72 places in Araku, Paderu, this total tribal area. Simultaneously, Ekalavya School, residential schools, where staying facility for teachers, staff and students is there. And 11 mandals of this area, 11 Ekalavya schools are being given by Narendra Modi government. Tribal university is given in Vijayanagaram by Narendra Modi Garu. National highways. Whenever I travel from state highways, गड्ढे के अंदर रोड है या रोड के अंदर गड्ढा है, समझ में नहीं आता. डांस सीखने के लिए आंध्र प्रदेश में डांस क्लास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जिसको डांस करना है वो रोड के ऊपर गाड़ी में बैठ कर जाए, वो सब प्रकार का डांस, एरोबिक्स है, रॉक एंड रोल है, सब कर सकेगा. इतने घटिया रास्ते हैं और सबके लिए नरेंद्र मोदी गारू पैसे दे रहे. ही इज़ गिविंग फंड्स फॉर एवरीथिंग. All funds are siphoned, all funds are diverted. The sub-plan for tribals and scheduled caste, crores of rupees being given for tribals and scheduled caste, not reaching tribal and scheduled caste people of this state. Even minorities, for them they are only vote banks, mere vote bank politics. Why this Andhra Pradesh Atmakur riots happened? The SP of Kadapa himself conducted press conference and said that SDPI and PFI are conducting camps over there. 6 months back, in riots, unnecessarily, wrongly, wrong charges were framed against Bharatiya Janata Party district president. He was into jail for 43 days. It is appeasement policy. Why Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu wants Tippu Sultan statue in Praddutur? He is a Krura Karma. He was a Krura Karma, killed lakhs of Hindus. His army raped lakhs of women, Hindu women. Why Tippu Sultan he wants in Praddutur? This is appeasement policy, only for votes. Simultaneously, he is paying salary to pastors. He is floating tenders to build church walls, 4 crore, 3 crores. Never in this country. Even Ram Mandir you can see. Narendra Modi Garu formed a trust according to direction of Supreme Court. If Narendra Modi Garu would have wanted, he could have given crores of rupees to Ram Mandir, but he did not do. सामान्य लोगों ने डोनेशन दिया राम मंदिर के लिए. Then why from state treasury here church walls are being constructed? He want to convert Andhra Pradesh into Christianity. Bharatiya Janata Party will not allow this to happen. Pastors को सैलरी, हिंदू भक्तलू जो मंदिर में जाकर दान करते हैं उससे फंड्स मिलते हैं, गवर्नमेंट के कंट्रोल में है. उसमें से आर्चक को आप सैलरी देते हैं तो कोई एहसान नहीं करते हैं. Because funds are given by Hindu society, tax is paid by majority Hindu society. And now you are paying to pastors, taking money from Hindu society, giving it to pastors, convert Hindus to Christianity. We will not allow. What Bommai Garu has done in Karnataka, stop conversions. He has brought a bill. Number of BJP governments have brought a bill. Even Andhra Pradesh also, when Bharatiya Janata Party is going to come to power, we will bring this anti-conversion bill in Andhra Pradesh as well. We will stop salaries to pastors. We will not allow state government funds to construct churches. My question to Chandrababu Naidu Garu is, are you ready to say this? Are you ready to tell that yes, I will stop the salaries to pastors? Are you ready to tell that no free yatra to Jerusalem I will not allow? No, he is same. For him also, Christians is a vote bank. They are all anti-Hindu parties. What happened to Ram Tirtham? Yet the destroyer of that Kodanda Ram Murthy is not caught. He is not arrested. Who burned Antarvedi? Yet not arrested. Why? You are giving money to build new chariot. You are giving money to build new Murti. But if the person who destroyed, the person who burned that chariot, if he is roaming freely, then even he will go and destroy new Murti. He will go and burn new chariot. What is the point? You have to catch the culprit. You are not catching. Now I make an allegation that you have supported these people. That is why you are not arresting. And that is why this is anti-Hindu Prabhutvam, I can say. Simultaneously, sand mafias, land grabbing. Oh my God! सामान्य लोगों का लैंड चोरी करने वाला पार्टी है. इतना बड़ा हमारे, मैं महाराष्ट्र से आता हूँ, और शरद पवार की एनसीपी भी ऐसी ही लैंड चोरों की पार्टी है. सिमिलरली ये वाईएसआरसीपी, दिस इज ऑल्सो लैंड चोर पार्टी, सैंड चोर पार्टी, लैंड चोर पार्टी. चंद्रबाबू नायडू गारू बोले थे बाबू आएगा जॉबू आएगा. किसी को जॉब नहीं मिला. जॉब सिर्फ नारा लोकेश को दिया उन्होंने. आंध्र प्रदेश की जनता ने उन सबका जॉब निकाल लिया. लेकिन रावाली जगन, कावाली जगन, मन जगन में भी बोला हम आपको जॉब देंगे. जगन मोहन रेड्डी गारू जॉब एक्कड़ा, जॉब रालेदू, गंजाए वच्चिंदी, गंजाए. ये गांजा का स्टेट बना के रख दिया है जगन मोहन रेड्डी गारू. जितने भी रेड्स होते हैं अलग अलग इलाके में, देश भर में, गांजा कहाँ से आता है? आंध्र प्रदेश से गांजा जाता है. ये गांजा माफिया, वाईएसआरसीपी के लोग गांजा माफिया भी है. वेंकटेश्वरा स्वामी का रेड सैंडलवुड माफिया है. श्री सत्य साई डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाया आपने. आपके पास कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी नहीं है. आपने पूरा श्री सत्य साई ट्रस्ट के अंदर गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस घुसा दिए. अब वो श्री सत्य साई नगरी जो इंटरनेशनली स्पिरिचुअल नगरी है, उसके अंदर कभी कोई पॉलिटिक्स नहीं हुआ, उसमें कभी जिंदाबाद मुर्दाबाद नहीं हुआ. अभी ये कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी वहाँ जाएंगे और पॉलिटिकल गार्बेज फैलाएंगे. ये अनबिलीवर्स जाएंगे, कन्वर्जन करेंगे, क्योंकि श्री सत्य साई के सारे ट्रस्ट के ज़मीनों को और भवनों को गवर्नमेंट के नाम पर हड़प लिया है. सिमिलरली टीटीडी के सारे भवनों में भी गवर्नमेंट घुस गया है. आपको अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेपरेट बनाना है तो पहले इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाना चाहिए. चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने भी अमरावती को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर अमरावती डिजास्टर? मुंदुगा चंद्रबाबू नायडू. हिंदू कोसमे all seats TDP lost from Amravati area because he is the culprit, and second culprit is Jagan Mohan Reddy garu. One capital, one corruption, three capitals, three time corruption. They only want money. Nobody is working for people. They only take name of Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Rashtra, Andhra Janam, lekin they work for their only family and some few selected friends. And that is why this Praja Poru, प्रजलू का गुस्सा. आंध्र प्रदेश भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ये प्रजा पोरू चालू किया. एंड वी आर गेटिंग ट्रिमेंडस रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम पीपल. पीपल आर एंग्री विथ रंडू राष्ट्र पार्टीलू, अविनीति पार्टीले, कुटुंबन पालना पार्टीले, कुलतत्व पार्टीले, एंटी हिंदू पार्टीले, माफिया पार्टीले, गंजिया पार्टीले. एंड दैट इज वाई जनसेना इज विथ अस. पवन कल्याण गारू इज विथ अस. Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena is the only alternative now which is for Andhra Pradesh people. We are going to contest 2024 election together and we will defeat both these Dongalu parties and new era of Andhra Pradesh will start. बंगार आंध्र राष्ट्र निर्माण करने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी, नरेंद्र मोदी गारू आंध्र प्रदेश के लिए सब कुछ करना चाहते हैं. लेकिन ये चोरी का पैसा नरेंद्र मोदी गारू कभी अलाउ नहीं करेंगे। नरेंद्र मोदी गारू पैसे देते हैं, लेकिन ये लोग पैसे का उपयोग नहीं करते, मिसयूज़ करते हैं। ये सारे जितने प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुए हैं, इसके पीछे ये अविनीति है, और नरेंद्र मोदी गारू अविनीति कभी भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करते। हमारे यहाँ पर राउडिज़म नहीं है, यहाँ महिलाओं का क्या हालत है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का क्या सिचुएशन है। आप उत्तर प्रदेश में देखिए, योगी महाराज का वहाँ पर प्रभुत्वम है। जो अनऑथोराइज्ड घर है, दूसरे दिन बुलडोजर जाकर जो है वो उसका घर डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है। क्राइम करने वाला जेल के अंदर चला जाता है। You know that new issue of Uttarakhand, and in that Uttarakhand one BJP leader's son was culprit, and our Prabhutvam, Bharatiya Janata Party Prabhutvam, our chief minister destroyed that culprit। जो बीजेपी वाला था उसने पाप किया, उसका जो इलीगल रिसोर्ट था उसको बुलडोज़र लगाकर गिराया। भारतीय जनता पार्टी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में पार्टी नहीं देखती, ये हमने दिखा दिया है उत्तराखंड में। यहाँ पर तो पूरा माफियाओं का राज, नो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमन इज हाई, एंड दैट इज वाई टू गिव ग्रेट लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, टू गिव जॉब्स, टू गिव रोजगार, इनकम टू यूथ, only BJP and Janasena is the alternative, and that is why this Praja Poru, I am very happy to visit. I have got immense of love from this tribal leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party. I remember Lokula Gandhi Garu, who sacrificed his life for people. He was roaming here and there during COVID times. Manikyala Rao Garu, he sacrificed his life for people. He was freely roaming to serve people during COVID times. In Visakhapatnam, more than 50 Karyakartas died while serving people in COVID times. That is Bharatiya Janata Party. And that is why during this Seva Pakhwada and Prajaporu Yatra, immense success and grand support we are getting from Andhra Pradesh people. Thank you very much.
What do you say?
He is closed himself by Chandrababu Naidu Garu. He accepted publicly that now we don't want special category status, special package is sufficient. He accepted, he gave speech in assembly, he has given thanksgiving letter to Narendra Modi government for giving special package. He has given public statement that if somebody talks about special status, I will put him into jail. So now that chapter was closed by last chief minister. So there is no question of giving any special status to Andhra Pradesh. Special package is perfect, and Narendra Modi Garu is committed for everything what is decided. Secondly, Vizag railway zone is already given. Within 1 year, the procedure will be completed, and I hope that earliest the procedure will be finally over and Vizag rail zone will be operated. Diverted not by central government, it is diverted by state government. Modi Garu is giving lakhs of rupees to Gram Panchayat.
దీని మీద మీరు చర్యలు ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటలేదండి? వాళ్ళు డైవర్ట్ చేసేస్తున్నారు.
See, I will tell you, in federal structure, you cannot interfere in state matters. Our duty is to give funds. Our duty is to ask your certificate, utilization certificate. And if we don't get utilization certificate, then Narendra Modi Garu can say that I have not received the utilization certificate, so I will not give the next grant unless and until utilization certificate is not given. So today only I have come to know, when I visited, a few sarpanchas met me and they told that they are not getting the money. So I will inquire into the matter. I have taken their delegation and their representation. I will discuss with Somuvir Raju Garu, and we can discuss with the concerned authorities in Delhi. There is no support to Jagan Mohan Reddy government as such. There is a professional relation between governments. There is professional relations between governments. Whenever Chief Minister goes to Delhi, it is duty of central government ministers to give them time to meet them and to have a photograph. It is a mere formality. Every time Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is going Delhi, he is meeting Prime Minister, presenting Venkateshwara Swami idol photo. Every time his idol size is increasing. Every time the bill he brings, the amount he wants, that amount is also increasing. There is no point in all those things. Even Prime Minister meets Mamata Banerjee. Even Prime Minister meets other chief ministers whenever they want appointment. It is his duty. And only one photograph of Chandrababu Naidu came along with Narendra Modi ji. And here the people started talking, the TDP yellow gang started talking that now they will go into NDA. No question. No question. Prime Minister Garu clearly has said in his 15th August Red Fort speech, the biggest threat to Indian democracy are family parties and their corruption. And that is why Bharatiya Janata Party will see that all family parties and corrupt parties will be politically defeated and politically finished. If at all there is some opposition, there should not be a family party. That's all. Thank you very much.
బాబు రారా మధ్యలో ఎందుకు దూరిపోతా కరెక్టే
అతను మిత్రపక్షం ఉన్నారు కదా మరి ఇక్కడ
తినండి